So in today's video, I'm actually be showing you how you can start to make some passive income with a little bit of upfront work. And today's daily comment winner is going to be Safi, I believe. I'm sorry, but I have see your Bitcoin address right here at the bottom. And I'm about to send you some free cryptocurrency. Thank you for being a part of this YouTube community. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So this is going to be the first money making website that's going to pay you out, and you're going to have to do a little bit of upfront work in order to make this passive. And today's video, I'm going to show you two of the websites, but if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you a way you can start to make money 100% passive, but it's going to take a little bit of an investment. This is the best way to make money right now, so make sure you watch this video to the end. So this is going to be the first website called Larva Faucet. It has been around for quite some time, and I'm going to show you how you can start to make this passive in today's video, so keep watching, guys. So we have multiple ways in order to actually start earning these tokens, and I'm going to show you what you can do to these tokens with these tokens in order to make this passive. So this is today's video. So now there's different ways you can actually earn tokens, and I'm going to show you that right now. So if you just click on earn coins right here, guys, you're going to be led to like a visit, short links, PTC ads, faucets, offer walls, and tasks. Well, what I do personally, if I'll always come over here to short links first, and then I move over to PTC ads and then faucets, guys. And this is going to take, again, a little bit of upfront work in order for you to start making this 100% passive, but it works, guys. This has been around for quite some time. If you keep on staying consistent on doing this, you're going to start to earn bonuses for doing this over and over and over again, guys. So it says by completing each short link, bonus percentage will increase by 1%. So right now we're going to be earning 250 tokens plus 0 bonus. So if we just click on this one, we're going to get 1% more, and then another percent, and another percent, another percent. So the more you do this, the more tokens you can earn. So this is the best way so you can start to earn tokens right now quickly and fast, so you can start to make this 100% passive. So now there's other multiple ways. So if we go over here to PTC ads, it's going to be the same thing but for a little bit less, and all you have to do is just stay on the website for around 10 seconds. So each day there are new ones, so you can just come back each day to check out some of them. Some days there's more, some days there's less, but just keep coming back every single day so you can start to accumulate more tokens and be able to make this passive. So the next way to earn some passive tokens or some tokens quickly is going to be through the faucets. So if we go to larvafaucet.com/faucet, which is just right here, guys, which is just right there where it says faucet, you're going to get led to a site just like this one, a page. So click right here where it says select captcha. I like to do reCAPTCHA just because you click on this one and that is it. So click on verify, and then you're going to get another captcha right there. So it says wait 3, 2, 1 seconds, and boom, collect coins now. So just exit out of that ad, click on collect coins now. It's going to show you another one, and just keep on doing it until it finishes, guys. You're going to get anywhere between 50 to 2,000 tokens per time you do this, guys. So it is super easy to accumulate tokens that way as well, but you have to come back every single hour in order to do this again. So now let's say we have accumulated quite a decent amount of tokens. Let's go over here real quick. Watch, this is where you can start to make this passive. Once you click on play game, guys, this is it right here. You buy these miners and it starts to accumulate you some passive coins. Now this is kind of easy to understand, so let me click on right here where it says collect, and I'm going to collect 739 tokens right now. So you're going to be able to see this just go up a lot more. I have 3,913 tokens into power, because you're going to need some power in order to fuel this GPU or this miner for you. So right here where it says fuel energy is 624. So if you click on 624 right there, guys, you're going to be getting around 142 tokens per hour. Now every hour it uses up 78 tokens or power, which are each token is 1 power. So it's easy to understand, guys. Just keep on watching this video over and over and over again until you understand what I'm talking about. So as you can see right now, I'm already at 60 time right here, right? So I'm already at a 60-minute, or every hour we're going to be getting 142 tokens. So we're just going to be getting just a tad bit more than what we have invested, which is 624. So now the next step is just saving up all of this money. So I'm going to get at least 4,000, almost 5,000 tokens at the end of the day once this is all complete. So once I use up all of this, and once I collect it all from here, so I'm going to have enough to actually buy another miner. Just click on buy miner or upgrade the same one you have, and all you need is around 10,000 tokens, which is not that hard to get, guys, if you just stay consistent. Again, this is going to take a little bit of upfront work in order to make this 100% passive. So this is going to be the next website, guys. I have not used this for a while, but I'm going to start to use this again. So as you can see, I'm already up to 25 cents in USD value right here, guys, and it is passive. So it's going to take you a little bit of upfront work again in order to make this passive, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So if we come over here, guys, it's going to lead you to the home page, and all the links are going to be down in the description of this video. But as you can see right now, I have 2 total hardware that are making me money passively. So now let's go over here, and you can see how much I'm making daily, 0.002 cents every single day. So it's going to take you a little bit of work in order to make this passive, but I like to always start with the faucet. We have to wait those 10 seconds or 9 seconds in order for this to actually load up, so we can actually claim our money and then get some free cryptocurrency or some tokens in order to make this passive, guys. So as you can see, we just got through claiming it, so we got a little bit more tokens, and the token system is a little challenging to understand, but it's kind of easy at the same time. So let me show you that real quick. So we have PTC right here, guys. So just come back every single day and start to do this. Click on this one and stay on there for at least 11 seconds or whatever it tells you, and then you're gonna earn some free tokens. So now once you click right here where it says earn tokens, you can come do faucets, offer walls, or short links. So if we click on short links, yeah, you can come over here and claim it up to 3 times each, one time, one time, one time. So it just depends, guys, and you're just gonna be earning 7 tokens, 7 tokens, 7 tokens over and over and over again. And then we're gonna save up, just like the previous website, we're gonna save up some tokens, enough to actually buy some hardware in order to make this passive, guys. So if you come down here, you can see I have 2 active hardwares at the moment. You can rent these out. So as you can see, the total cost is 600 tokens. The duration is going to be for 30 days. You're going to get 5% of that 30 at the end of the 30 days. So at the end of the day, you're going to get 30% or 30 tokens more, and then you can just do it again, and then over and over and over again, guys. Now if you see this right here, this one cost 600 tokens, 60 days, 10%, and you're going to get 60 tokens. So you can choose if you can wait the 30 days in order to do this again, then just do that. Or if you want to wait these 60 days, then do that as well. Or you can save up for one of these bigger ones, 800 tokens, and get 1,000 tokens at the end of the 128 days or 20 days. So there's multiple ways you can start to earn some passive income with this application and start to earn that money right here, guys. So this is a really simple and easy way you can start to make some money passively with these money making applications. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. At the end of the day, this is going to be the best way you can start to earn some money right now without doing anything at all, guys. Now again, it is going to take a little bit of investment money, but I'm going to show you something, guys. This right here is the best way you can start to earn some money passively without doing anything at all. All you have to do is upload your own YouTube videos that my team is going to create for you. I have created a team that is going to do everything for you. They're going to create the thumbnails, the voiceover, the script. They're gonna find the information. All you have to do, and even a thumbnail, guys, all you have to do is just send them the topic that you want the video done, and then they're gonna be able to do this for you. They're gonna create everything, and they're gonna send you the video with the thumbnail, and all you have to do is just upload it on a brand new YouTube channel or anything, guys. You can send them top 5s, top 10s, why Donald Trump will win president, or why Vietnam is Vietnam, or why are we in this planet, why do people have hair. You can send them anything, guys, and they're gonna go find out the information. They're gonna come back, give you the information, the video, the thumbnail, and you just have to upload it. And this course is extremely cheap at the moment, only $50, guys, and it will go up pretty soon. So if you want to get started learning the ways on how you can start to make money with YouTube passively, but without even showing your face, then this is the place for you guys. So I'm going to leave the links down in the description of this video so you can get started making some money right now in 2020 or possibly even 2021 or 2022, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.